Absolutely. I actually have a great example here. This is a 3D printed structural component used on the spacecraft Orion, developed by Lockheed Martin for NASA. This is produced by our FDM technology with PKK material, a high-performance polymer that meets NASA outgassing requirements and provide ESD protection. Just to give you one number, 100 parts, this is the number of production parts in 3D printing for this spacecraft. Show our additive manufacturing has moved to from prototyping to production parts for deep space missions. Traditionally, space development cycles are very long. From prototyping to tooling to qualify parts, each step can take weeks or even months. Additive manufacturing compresses all the entire process. Engineers can rapidly iterate design, manufacturing tools, and then move to qualify parts. So by reducing every stage, additive manufacturing accelerates the entire cycle development for space parts in the space. The next big steps will come for us from advanced material combined with digital manufacturing. High-performance material like PKK allow engineers to produce lightweight and space components compatible with space that can replace complex assemblies. Paris Space Week is the good place to create connection.